Looking for simple and affordable gadgets that can save time, solve daily problems, and bring a bit of convenience into your life? Today's video is packed with smart little products that are useful, budget-friendly, and surprisingly effective. From clever wall sealants and powerful hair thickening sprays to rotating display stands and quick clean shoe wipes, these 5 unique tools are going to make everyday tasks much easier. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Wall Hole Glue. Fixing wall damage just got easier with this plasticine-style sealing glue. This household mending mud is perfect for sealing unsightly holes made by air conditioning units, pipes, or wall fixtures. Simply mold and press it into place. No tools or extra materials needed. It's waterproof, flexible, and clings well to ceramics, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Ideal for sealing sewer pipe gaps, wall holes, or electrical cable gaps. This is a fast, efficient fix for small home improvement needs. If you're a DIY beginner or just tired of messy wall fillers, this sealing glue is your new best friend. Clean, simple, and extremely useful. Number 4, Shoe Clean Wipes. If you love white shoes but hate how quickly they get dirty, these disposable shoe wipes are an absolute must-have. Each wipe is pre-moistened with powerful cleaning agents that scrub away dirt, scuffs, and grime in seconds. No water or extra brushes needed. Made with soft yet durable cotton material, they're perfect for quick cleaning at home, in the car, or on the go. Keep a few in your bag or drawer for instant shoe care whenever you need it. No more stressing about dirty kicks before a meeting, date, or event. Just wipe and go. It's that easy. Number 3, Wire Winder Box. Say goodbye to tangled cables with this portable wire winder box. This compact, round storage container is designed to hold your charging cables, earbuds, USB cords, and other small wires, keeping everything neat and tangle-free. Made from sturdy PP plastic, it's lightweight and comes in vibrant colors like yellow, transparent, blue, and orange. At just 6.3 centimeters in diameter, it easily fits in your pocket, purse, or tech bag. Whether you're traveling or just want a clutter-free desk, this cable organizer keeps things tidy and stress-free. Simple storage with big-time impact. Number 2, Hair Fiber Kit. Struggling with thinning hair or visible scalp lines? This keratin hair fiber applicator kit from Sevich offers an instant solution. Designed for both men and women, this combo includes high-quality keratin fibers and a spray applicator to fill in thin areas and add the appearance of fuller, thicker hair. Available in 10 shades, including black, brown, blonde, gray, and auburn, it's easy to match your natural hair color. The applicator ensures even distribution for a natural, seamless finish. Perfect for special events, daily confidence boosts, or touch-ups on thinning hairlines. This kit is all about effortless transformation. Number 1, Display Stand Mirror. Showcase your favorite items in style with this electric rotating display stand. With 3 speed settings and support for 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees turns, this stand makes your products, jewelry, or collectibles look absolutely stunning from every angle. Its mirror surface reflects light beautifully, drawing attention to whatever you place on top. Powered by USB or AAA batteries, it's perfect for photography, video shooting, or retail display setups. Whether you're a content creator, jewelry seller, or just love beautiful display setups at home, this rotating stand is the perfect stage for your favorite items. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.